Want to improve your video quality? Let's learn the VN app. This tutorial covers live editing for YouTube, face, logos and blur effects. Subscribe and comment your platform. Let's open the app. To start, click on the editing icon. Now select New Project to begin. Choose multiple parts or a single take. Click Next to bring it in. Choose the ratio for shots. Choose 9:16 for shorts and 16:9 for long videos. You can easily zoom and adjust the frame. Position elements like a mobile screen to the side. Now you can start editing. Learn to edit like a pro. Pinch screen to zoom out, stretch to zoom in, scroll layers like video and audio. Check audio graphs for exact starts. Let's master color correction. Move the cursor to the audio spike. Tap play to check it. Position the cursor and split the clip. Select the unwanted part and delete it. Let's cut unwanted parts in VN. Scroll through your video timeline, tap split and delete that part. Tap here to add a screen recording. Drag the handles to resize it. Play to review. Happy edit. Learn to cut unwanted parts. Zoom out and find the waveform. Split both of the layers around it. Delete that segment. Slide the remaining clips together. That's all there is to it. Learn to color grade in VN. Select presets or adjust settings manually. Ensure consistent quality across clips. Next, blurring parts. Let's add blur in VN. Position your cursor and apply it. Use keyframes to animate movement. Split and delete to sync. That's it. That's it. Let's learn how to add logos. Use Image Search Man to find them. Import your photo into a layer. Animate and set timing on the timeline. That's it. Let's insert and animate our logo. We apply effects to enhance its appearance. Create keyframes to make it scroll. Now you try this on your videos. Learn mobile video editing today. Trim and cut clips efficiently. Add a mobile screen frame layer. Use filters and crop. Happy editing! Let's learn how to edit videos today. Click mirror to flip your video. Now let's extract the audio track. Easily adjust the volume levels here. Learn how to export video in VN. Set resolution to 1080p and FPS to 30 or 60. Recommend setting bitrate around 10. Click export to start the process. Please like and subscribe.